we should introduce ourselves to you.
What is your name?
My name is Francis.
Okay.
How about you?
There are some who call me Tim.
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 Oh, the build up there, I thought it was going to be something more epic. That's all.
Tim.
No, it's fine.
What's wrong with Tim?
No. There's nothing wrong
Are you
with it.
hating on my name?
No.
Don't hate.
No, I'm not hating, mate. I'm not hating. I'm just saying that the build up was that of more of a Bruno or something epic is all.
Are you hating on my name, nigga?
Okay, that was worth it.
Sorry.
It's okay.
Anyway, what should we do for our viewers tonight?
Well, I don't know. We have a small time frame too, technically.
Yes, because some nigga just got here.
Did he?
Yeah.
Oh. We might as well just do this another time.
Sing me a song, bitch. Please.
Oh, thank you.
Bitch.
All right. Let's see.
Sing a song we both know.
Remembering Sunday?
Sure.
Okay. He woke up from dreaming and put
Put
on his shoes.
Wait, why did everything get dark?
I don't know. There we go.
There we go.
Started making his way past 2 in the morning.
I can't remember all the words.
I do. He hasn't been sober
For days.
Leaning now
Into the breeze.
remembering Sunday, he falls to his knees. They had breakfast together, but 2 eggs don't last like the feeling of what he needs. Now this place seems familiar to him. She pulled on his head.
Fuck it!
Yeah, damn it. I thought you knew that.
I can't think of it right now.
Why not?
Because Blake's here.
Hello, Blake.
Hello, Blake!
How you doing there, mate?
I see you in the reflection.
I see you in the reflection. Oh, look at that. You there.
He's looking at us like we on crack.
No.
Making
YouTube.
videos.
No.
I wish.
We wish.
This is what happens when we
This
don't
is-
drink.
This will be a better excuse for what we're doing right now.
Oh, acid.
Where?
I need it.
I thought we were on it.
We look like it.
I look like
You do anyway.
I look like a butterfly. Flowy.
Look at me, I'm Predator.
Oh dear Jesus! Put your mouth together, man. Wow.
It works well with the boys.
You're gay?
No? Just making an observation.
You sound like you had experience with that observation.
No!
Do you not want to talk about it?
No.
Okay. What?
I was whispering.
I didn't even hear you.
Read my lips.
Oh.
You know what I'm saying, nigga?
Yeah, I understand now. Look, honestly, all right. I'm not gonna tell them what you said. Okay, I'm not gonna do it. But I'm gonna tell them that. All right, if you can read paper lips, which I know not many of you can, but the ones who can, keep that on the hush hush. Obviously it was a personal thing, and right when Tim is ready to talk about it, he will, and we might end up on Oprah. You don't know.
Oprah!
She's Black Jesus.
What?
Black Jesus.
Jesus is black?
Yeah. I know.
Well, Nika, I'm about ready to leave. What about you?
Yeah, I think it's that time.
All right.
Wait, we gotta get on this note. Wait, 9/11 was a conspiracy. Ronald Reagan's the devil, and Jesus was black.
Wait. Can you hear me? Listen. Listen.
Listening.
Fuck the Illuminati! Okay.
Penis.